So how do you take a contacts backup on your Android phone? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are more ways how you could technically back up your contacts. First of all, you could just export them manually, or you could also sync them to a different account, right? So for example, if you want to export it or back them up, I would recommend you to open up your contacts application as usual, tap on the more options. In my case, it's in the top left corner, and you can see right away that I can manage my contacts like that. And when I click on export, right, I'm gonna just select all of the contacts and export it to my local storage. So all of the current contacts which I have right now saved on my device will be exported and backed up in a different file, outside of the contacts app. So it's gonna be in the folders, right? But of course, I can then save that to a different place, like on a Google Drive, for example, right? But the point is that I'm going to export my contacts in the vCard format, which can then be imported to other devices, or if I lost access to my contacts, I'll be able to just access it that way. Keep in mind, however, that that's one thing, but you can also just synchronize your contacts with some accounts. So again, if I go to manage contacts, I have the sync contacts, and I can add some Gmail or Samsung account or even more and enable the synchronization. So it will be saved to a cloud solution, and that way I don't have to worry about like losing it or anything like that because it's attached to the Gmail account right here. So I'll always have access to it. Even when I log in with the same account on a different device, I'll be able to access the very same contacts like that. So let me know if that's the case you are going after. Most definitely let me know about that. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.